How to flex textures in Unreal Engine 5. Sometimes we want to flex textures, and you can see here has the two planes. The right plane is right one, and this default texture is the wrong one. So I will flex these textures. So first I will delete this material, and I will create a new material, and I will open it. And then next I will drag these textures into here and connect to base color, and I change this view. And the next thing I'm going to add textures coordinate and connect to UV node and change this value to -1. Yeah, you can see I fix this. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.